In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs Dubbing. First, you'll want to begin by launching your favorite web browser. A reliable internet connection will be your best companion throughout this process, since we're delving into the online realm. With your browser open, navigate to your search bar and type in ElevenLabs to locate their official website. Once you've found it, go ahead and log in with your credentials. It's always a good idea to make sure your login details are up to date, or have them saved in a password manager for easy access. With your account all set, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will find the sidebar. This is where you'll be able to seamlessly switch between different sections of the platform. Our focus today is on the feature marked as Dubbing. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage of the process. As you make your way through these steps, remember, it's normal to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. Now that you're in the dubbing section, you're going to want to start a new project. Look for the option that says Create a Dub and click on it. This will bring you to a new page where you can get creative with your dubbing choices. You'll notice a form appearing on your screen that needs some attention. Here, you'll have a chance to personalize your project, starting with a project name. Think of something intuitive that you'll remember later. Next, specify your source and target languages. This step is crucial as it ensures your dub will be in the language you need. If you're working with audio or video, indicate that as well in the appropriate section. Additionally, you'll see options for the number of speakers in your content. Be precise here, as this will influence how your dub will be generated. Finally, there's a section for the time range. This is useful if you only want to dub a specific segment of your audio or video file rather than the whole piece. Once you've carefully filled out all these details, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. It can save you a lot of time and effort down the road. When you're confident that everything is in order, click Create Dub. And just like that, your project is on its way to being transformed into a polished, multilingual powerhouse. While your dub is being created, take a moment to explore some of the other features ElevenLabs has to offer. Their tools might inspire your next project. Now you're well on your way to mastering ElevenLabs Dubbing, ready to take on new linguistic challenges with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy dubbing!